students, we are expecting NEET 2025 applications to be open at any time. And two important things that you should remember. One is update your Aadhaar card. Okay, keep your Aadhaar card ready. How should you update your Aadhaar card is, you should have updated in the recent 3 years. That is for your 10th standard examination. If you have updated, that's fine. Okay, have your Aadhaar card updated and see that the name in the Aadhaar card is as exactly as you have it in your 10th certificate. Okay, so in your 10th certificate, if your Aravind R, Aadhaar card should also have as R Aravind or Aravind R. That's fine. But it should not have your surname later. That is, it should not have, for example, your father's name is Ramaswamy. It should not have Aravind Ramaswamy. If your certificate has Aravind R, Aadhaar card should also have Aravind with initial R. Okay, so this is how your Aadhaar card should be, as having the name as that in your mark sheet, 10th mark sheet. That is one important notification that has been, public notice that has been issued by the NTA for your NEET UG application process. Other than that, they have asked every student to create an APAAR ID, that is Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. Okay, so this is an ID number that helps to have all the students' information in a digital platform. Okay, so it is easy to create. Let us see how to create this APAAR ID. Okay, so APAAR ID can be created three ways, either through DigiLocker or Umang or ABC portal. If you are creating through DigiLocker, you need a DigiLocker account. Okay, if you have a DigiLocker account, sign in the DigiLocker account. On the left hand side, you have the option to search for APAAR. Okay, so it gives an option for academic bank credit, ABC. Select that. Okay, if you select that, you will see your documents in the sense your certificates that has been issued by the government. So it will automatically display your name, your gender, your registered mobile number. So what are the details it asks for? Further details it asks for is, it asks for an identity value. What is that identity value means? The number that helps you to identify. So it can be your enrollment number or roll number that you have in your 10th standard mark sheet. Okay, see, take your 10th standard mark sheet. If this has a roll number, write this roll number, because this is unique for every student. Write this roll number as the identity value, and where below that you have identity type. So in identity type you have options. Okay, the value that you have entered, if that is a roll number, select roll number. Okay, it may have other options. For example, it may have it has the options of enrollment number, registration number. Okay, so new admission, like that. If any of that, I mean, it is roll number, so you can select roll number. If it is some other number it is mentioned, means then you can give the option as none. Okay, you have to type your identity value, that is your 10th standard roll number, and below that in identity type you select roll number. If this is not a roll number in any of the board, you can select none. Okay, that is it. Okay, after that it asks for the admission year. Admission year is, the student has completed the 10th standard board by 2021, so the admission year will be 2020. Okay, so after feeding these details, then it asks for the board. I am a student of which board. So if your Tamil Nadu state board, select that. If your CBSE board, select the board. Okay, after that it gives you a APAAR ID. Okay, so APAAR ID will have your photograph, name, date of birth, gender, and your ID number. So this is one important ID number that helps you to source all your documents digitally. Okay, so this is very important. So if you don't have a DigiLocker, then you have to create a DigiLocker. Okay, how to create a DigiLocker is, go in for DigiLocker sign in. Okay, so sorry, sign up. If you go in for DigiLocker sign up, it gives you this page. Okay, you have to create an account, and for DigiLocker account, for that you need your name as per your Aadhaar card, and the same type should be, name should be as such in your 10th standard mark sheet, and your date of birth and the gender, your mobile number, and 6-digit security pin, you have to create it. Okay, after that it asks for your mail ID and Aadhaar number. Give these details and submit it. it asks for an OTP. So the mobile number that you have entered here should be as the same number that you have used for your Aadhaar, linking your Aadhaar card. Okay, so the same that mobile number will have your get an OTP. Just enter the OTP, submit it. You will create a DigiLocker. Okay, so this is how you will create a DigiLocker. Once you have created a DigiLocker, go in for signing in the DigiLocker and then go in for APAAR ID, academic bank credit, and feed the details and get your APAAR ID done. Thank you. All the best.